At Florida Mid-South Realty, we bring family values, professional service, and local expertise to every real estate experience. With small town feel and a personal touch, we're here to help you find the right home or sell with ease. And don't miss the Florida Rockstars, our live podcast every Tuesday at 8 a.m. Florida Rockstars, rocking real estate news and all things local. Florida Mid-South Realty, your trusted hometown team.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your evening update.
We had some heavy rain and loud thunder around here last night across the Tennessee Valley, but all that's cleared out. We've remained mostly cloudy across the area today, though. A big temperature spread across the region, depending on which side of the state line you were on. It did briefly sneak up to 61 in Lawrenceburg at the airport today, but for the most part, we have been stuck in the 50s for a large part of the day. There's been a lot of fog out there today, and it's been thickening up as we made our way through the evening, so be aware of that. Morning low 54, almost 3/4 of an inch of rainfall since midnight here at the bucket at the Lawrenceburg Airport. Muscle Shoals got to 67 this afternoon, a little over 1/4 inch of a rain after midnight, starting at 59. Now, we're going to be mild for the morning hours of tomorrow with dropping temperatures into the afternoon. Slight chance of a stray shower or thunderstorm tonight across the area. Temperatures hanging out upper 50s, lower 60s. Notice as we get closer to daybreak, more widespread showers and thunderstorms north of the I-40 corridor in northwest Tennessee by daybreak. Those sink into our region and start entering southern middle Tennessee and northwest Alabama mid to late morning into the early afternoon. But notice as they do, they rapidly weaken across the area. So yes, you've probably seen on social media or otherwise that there is a low end level 1 risk of strong thunderstorms across the area, parts of the region at least. However, with the thunderstorms weakening before they ever get here and the ingredients just not looking robust, we just don't see too much to be concerned about. If you've watched this for any length of time, you know that here at Tennessee Valley Weather, we do not ignore severe storm threats, and Kelly Rawson will be coming in a little early tomorrow morning to monitor things just in case, so that if there is a surprise, she will be here to be able to provide live coverage if a warning is issued. However, we're just not expecting many problems, if any at all, as the storms move in. Rain will even continue to weaken through the day as we head into the afternoon. Colder air to follow. Notice we're dropping into the 50s by 2, 3, 4 o'clock, and even the 40s before sunset. And then headed into the overnight, we'll be dropping into the 30s as clouds clear out and colder air moves in. Be on the cooler side, upper 40s, lower 50s for our Thursday. Another cold front coming in Friday, bringing even colder air for a few days. Low to mid 40s Friday and the weekend for daytime highs with overnight lows down into the low to mid 20s. So it's certainly going to feel like winter as we officially begin the winter season this weekend. The astronomical winter solstice happens Saturday morning. Now, we've been in meteorological winter since the start of December. That's how we track records, but we'll officially be into winter as we head into the weekend. But we do start to moderate temperatures heading into next week as we get closer to Christmas. It looks like some milder air gets in here. 60s tomorrow, lower 50s, if not upper 40s for Thursday. And then the lower half of the 40s here Friday and the weekend. But notice we're jumping back into the 30s, the 50s for daytime highs, the lower 30s for overnight lows as we head toward Monday and especially Tuesday of next week. Milder air starting to inch back into the area. So yes, there's a chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm this evening. Better rain chances for our area hold off until near and after sunrise, though. We may actually warm up after midnight out of the 50s into the lower 60s. And I think we'll start the first half of the day into the mid 60s before storms arrive in the area. Again, just not seeing any real severe weather problems with those, but Kelly Rawson will be here to watch the radar to babysit things just in case tomorrow morning, in case there is a surprise, clearing it cooler for the rest of the weekend before we start to moderate things going into the first part of next week. That's your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock for a final check of your local weather.